friends. Welcome to Outdoor Ideas with Miss Donna. And today's idea is bird watching. What the world needs more now than ever is green thinking people. And if you instill a love of birds with your children, it will encourage them to want to protect their environment and enjoy the outdoors. You could have them make their own scavenger hunt and see if they can find all the birds on their list. Close your eyes and listen to the birds. Closing your eyes really heightens your senses. Can you hear them? All the different sounds they make? Can you hear that pretty oriole? Ask engaging questions. How do they fly? Where do they live? How do you think they protect their babies? And are those two robins over there fighting or playing? Remember to let your child take the lead and let them find what interests them, and don't rush them. Have a good day.